conversation on managing business environment. So here is my introduction. So my company is Air New Zealand. So the aim of this report is to provide an understanding related to New Zealand political system and challenges related to culture. It analyzes the impact of challenges on Air New Zealand for operating their expenses and business in global context. The report also explores the biocultural partnership and Treaty of Waitangi principles, and Air New Zealand operated their businesses that provide services for passengers and their cargo services within New Zealand and other countries as well to approximately 17 million passengers. The company has been operated its business in the airline industry of New Zealand, which has been provided support to GDP by 11.2%. So here is political system in New Zealand. So the political culture will include the view of the country and also the part of its attractive self-image. The government of New Zealand needs to provide timely responses to Air New Zealand so that Air New Zealand will go long, and so its future capital will, structure is going to be good. So his organizational goals. The company will be responsible to take full advantage of group competencies within the whole market. So their competitions are like Thai Airways, China Airways, etc. The goals of the company are achieved because the government has been moved quickly to ensure New Zealand has the supplies it needs and to back out exporters. So process and business activities. The government provides support to Air New Zealand, which continues the capital structure as well as their funding. It will provide flexibility to move so that the company needs a timely response from the government to conduct business activities and effectively and efficiently. So cultural changes. So in Air New Zealand, the company recognizes Maori cultures within an especially important part of the identity of New Zealand because they are very important to New Zealand as they are born here, and all things, mainly they are focused on Maori culture. The company has been committed to further weaving Maori culture and language into the fabric of the businesses. So organizational goals, again, the interest of the business in the reduction of a cultural challenge, mainly responsible to improve focus on sustainability and requirements to operate the business, and their business activity by reducing cultural challenge. The company is responsible to improve the business activities which tend to improve the reputation of the business in the global market. So the strategies and management techniques. So the company try to promote the people by encourage innovation and provide decisive outlooks to improve their focus towards performance. And in Air New Zealand, the management techniques such as spatial analysis is highly effective for their management and the employees for the production of their production market. The company solves the problem within the political system by its major stake by the government, because government has 51% of their shares in New Zealand, so that the company faces less trouble from the political market. In Air New Zealand, the engaged internal culture is highly critical for achieving superior commercial outcomes and customer satisfaction, which are highly outstanding in the market. Next slide is biocultural partnership impact like Treaty of Waitangi principles on business activities. So the Treaty of Waitangi principle mainly influences the process of planning, activities and relationships of the main tribe. The Treaty of Waitangi principle has been played a vital role within the business so that they gives equal rights to Maori culture and other people as well for doing the business effectively and efficiently. So concept of EV, HAPU and EV. So EV in the Treaty of Waitangi principle is known as a tribe, that is the largest group which will form the Society of Maori. It is considered as one goal of the company to grow their depth of their relationship with Tangata Vanua for responsibly demonstrated a higher level of respect and integrity. So Hapu is mainly work to provide protection to the natural environment and their resources, and also try to support to its members within the group. This concept is important as it is mainly focused on Maori workers and other people who lived in New Zealand. So I used the principle of protection here. So the protection of principle of mainly ensured by main fight that will protect the knowledge, interest and value activities of Maori workers. The company always striving to be highly positive and engaged with the members of local communities like Maori and other islanders as well. So impact of operating in global context. So the challenges is Air New Zealand provide guardianship for national properties, natural resources and effective ecosystem, and the solution is to try to make a deal with this challenge so that the business may improve its focus on environmental sustainability. So here's the last slide, conclusion. So it has been found that the challenges faced by the business is mainly solved with the help of analyzing problem solving skills. The business needs to follow the principle related to the Treaty of Waitangi that was appropriately aligned with the goals and their mission. Here is my references. Thank you. If there are any questions?
Okay. Under the global political factors, could you indicate one or two political factors that impact the Air New Zealand operations?
Like nowadays, because of COVID, New Zealand said that we are not accepting any passenger or any so they are not accepting any people anymore because of COVID. Because if they are coming to in New Zealand, so they can harm New Zealand because of COVID, and like in China as well. So no one can go over there right at the moment because of them. COVID thing started. So there are a couple of things that affect these things.
Okay. Now I just go to the cultural challenges. Indicate one specific global cultural challenge that impact the Air New Zealand business activities.
Cultural challenges.
It's not New Zealand perspective, global
Global.
perspective.
Cultural challenges to like if anyone uses Air New Zealand, so sometimes they are thinking that we are not equal. They are not giving proper. They are not providing everything to them. They are just thinking of their Maori culture. So yeah, this is a cultural challenge in New Zealand. So other people think that yeah, we are we also need same type of things that they are providing to Maori culture.